I'm governor of Florida, so I'm coming up here for two reasons. One, Florida taxpayers and citizens need to be treated fairly. Why would we get reimbursed differently, less than another state with our Medicaid plan? Number two, Floridians, whether you have a pre-existing condition or not, we ought to be able to buy whatever we want to buy. The federal government shouldn't be dictating what we buy. We should have that right to buy what we want to buy. So is this bill better than Obamacare? Absolutely. But everything we do, we've got to focus on the problem. The problem is 100% it costs too much. And this bill will help drive that down, but we've got to do everything we can because Obamacare is a complete disaster. It's causing premiums to skyrocket in my state.
So they want to bring premiums down, and again, they're not convinced this does this. You would, however, go after it in a different way. Well, you've got the mandate, right?
Right.
You've got taxes, regulations.
Get rid of the mandates, get rid of the regulation, allow more competition. Think about how you drive costs down in any industry. More competition. Let people buy what they want to buy. Sell insurance across state line. I'm always real concerned, especially in healthcare, about these grand bargains. So, but right now, I'm up here. I'm fighting for Florida taxpayers.
Understood. But just to be clear on this, you would not go forward with a big bill then. You would, in your words, you would chip away at it one piece at a time.
So I've been governor for 6.5 years for 7 sessions. What I've learned is I get more done if I break things up and do simple things. Now, I'm very appreciative that they're trying to repeal and replace Obamacare, whether it's President Trump, Mitch McConnell, the other senators. But I know when I want to get things done, I focus on what's the biggest problem and how can I get people on board. Everybody agrees, get rid of the mandates, get rid of the taxes. Everybody agrees costs are too high. Create more competition, let people buy what they want to buy, sell across state lines. But I'm happy that everybody's fighting for it, and I'm going to fight for Florida taxpayers.
You have a noon meeting with 12 noon Eastern with the Vice President, Mike Pence. You have a 3 o'clock meeting with Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell. What do you tell them today?
As governor of Florida, here's what I want. Basically 3 things. I want to make sure that under a Medicaid plan, we get treated fairly. We should get treated as well as any other state, no better, no worse. Our citizens, whether you have pre-existing condition, let us buy what we want to buy. And then get rid of the regulations under Medicaid. Let's run our own program. I care about the citizens of my state. I grew up in a family without health insurance. I want people to get access to health care.
Governor, good luck. It's a big sell. Thank you for your time.
I hope we'll have a good week.
Rick Scott, you think it'll happen or not?
I'm hopeful that we'll have a good bill.
Are you dubious, or are you cautious, or how would you characterize it?
I'm up here as a fighter.